Looking down from the heights of Mount Epomeo at the enchantment for which Ischia has been famous for centuries, one can really understand that the title of Green Island is well merited. A thick blanket of vegetation wraps the sides of the mountain and forces its way into the most impenetrable gullies, covering the hillsides sloping gently down to the coast, where the land meets the sea. Majestic and imposing, Mount Epomeo seems to be watching over the island like some sort of guardian angel. From the top, one has a unique view of the Bay of Naples, eulogized by poets since the beginning of time. To enjoy that view, many visitors have climbed the steep pathways up the slopes of the mountain, through the chestnut woods, right up to an ancient refuge dug out of the rock. Chestnut trees dominate the heights of Ischia, where they provide protective shade for the lush undergrowth, rich in natural perfumes. Finding the splendor of uncontaminated nature is not very difficult on Ischia, even in this day and age. All you need to do is follow the ancient pathways, and you will soon come upon places of incredible beauty.